Hey guys, Omerko here, self-taught web developer. Let's properly dive into this series and see what Angular and Angular material truly have to offer to us. One thing worth to mention is that on my YouTube channel you can find many Angular tutorials and also whole projects. Next to that, on my SKILLSHARE profile you will find the whole to-do application that we can build on Angular as well. So it is only natural for me to create this Angular and Angular material course. So let's deep dive into that. First of all, in a video before you saw what is Angular truly, and in this video we will install Angular as a technology. If you would visit angular.io website, on their website you will find different features that Angular has to offer, and on top of that the whole documentation specifically for each of those features. In the documentation of the Angular you will also find the whole heroes application that the Angular team built for you to get introduced to Angular as a technology. Now also if you would visit angular.io/CLI, you would see this CLI tool that Angular has. Angular CLI is a command tool that we can use to generate Angular projects, also generate different components, services, guards, and all of those cool features that Angular has. So basically to install Angular, we will first of all need to, install this Angular CLI. First thing on this page, you will see this npm install-g @angular/CLI. This command will, install Angular CLI for us. So make sure to click on this copy icon, and in your terminal you can simply paste this command. This command should install CLI and Angular globally on your local machine. So just hit enter here and globally the Angular will be installed, so you will be able to use it. Now what you can see is that the Angular was properly installed and added as a package to our local machine with the version of 12.2.9. So hopefully we will soon also see the Angular 13 version as well. Just a quick reminder about these versions. Angular initially came with, as an AngularJS, which was obviously not so good framework because they had to, recreate it as an Angular 2. Since then, Angular 2 now became, as you can see, Angular 12. And with this each major update, the Angular will also change its version as well. But for example, if you wish to use this Angular CLI tool properly, how could you learn it? Well, as an example, you can use ng. As you install now Angular CLI, you are able to use this ng command, which will use this Angular CLI. And just by passing help keyword next to that, you will be able to get all of the commands from Angular CLI that are offered to use. So you can see that we have a command for adding things, for generating things, for also running the lint for our code, test, and much more. So these are all commands that Angular CLI supports, which will help you in your, workflow. So now that you saw this Angular CLI, Angular website and also installed it properly, we will move now to the next video where you will create your own first, application with Angular, and we will go a bit through the application before we start working with the Angular material. So guys, this will be all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click like and subscribe as I'm posting new content weekly on this channel. Also, don't forget to click that bell icon so you could be notified whenever I post a new video. So thank you all once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.